Well, holy shit, 500 people actually watch my stuff and listen to what I have to say. So thank you all for subscribing. Now, it is customary to do a little milestone video to say thank you to all my subscribers. And I actually tried recording some stuff for 100, 250, and 333 subscribers, but they ended up feeling a bit too self-indulgent, and I really struggled writing these. Now, usually when someone in this community actually hits one of these milestones, the creator will read out some funny comments and have a bit of a laugh. So I thought that I would trawl through my comments section a bit to see if there's anything to have a go at, but it turns out that you lot are just fucking lovely. Of course, there are the occasional flirts that post silly comments, but so far there aren't any which have had that special vitriolic ingredient that makes their bullshit so fucking funny. Now, I'm sure that will start getting more crap from these people as the channel grows, but for now, it has all been really lovely and positive, and thank you. Some of you may be aware that I've started to get involved with a new channel called the Shills, and here we will be looking at doing a weekly live show where we'll be chatting about the issues of the day and doing a live debunk of some videos, drinking beer, and just having a bit of fun. Now, I aim to be on the show most weeks, but every week there will be something on. This is a collaboration between a large number of people, including Anti-Flatter, Canadian Thomas, Logical Troglodyte, Babes Troglodyte, Jut Monk the Drunk Monkey, Dead Kennedy in Space, Jim Bojo, and the Sarcastic Barman. Now, as I said, every week there will be a show with some of these guys on. So go to the Shills channel to find more details. I will post a link to the channel and everyone involved in the description. Now, if you're not subscribed to them yet, then go over to their channels and check them out. As I have hit 500 subscribers, I figured that I would have a crack at setting up a Patreon, which is now live. So if you feel like financially supporting me and or financially supporting the increased beer consumption that is inevitable when looking at conspiracy nuts, then you'll find a link in the description where you can do so. Now, in all seriousness, the money will actually be going towards the maintenance and eventual upgrades of the very outdated systems that I use. At the moment, the Patreon is pretty bare bones, as I don't really know what I should do with all the reward here. So please let me know what you would like to see and what you would like the rewards to look like if you were to become a Patreon. A while ago, Anti-Flatter had a milestone video in which he decided to do a shout out to some smaller channels. He mentioned my channel and I got the inevitable bump in subscribers as more people discovered my ramblings. So I will pay it forward and I will recommend a few channels myself. Now, I've already mentioned the first ones as part of the Shills, but I'll repeat them again. First, we have the Sarcastic Barman and Jut Monk the Drunk Monkey, who do straight up, no nonsense debunks with some creative sarcasm and invective, and they're definitely worth a watch. Of course, we have Jim Bojo, who dedicates his channel to interviewing the people who are involved in the whole skeptic community, and it gives you an opportunity to get more of an idea of what these people are all about. However, there is a little gem in this community as well. And this is Apostate. And we have many great funny channels which look at flat earth stuff, and these channels make me laugh a lot, but Apostate fucking slays me every time.
Our topic today is a story of the ages, a journey of a lonely heart to find love. You see, it can be hard in this world for a flat earther to find love. I mean, basements just rarely have windows, so how do you ever get out, you know? And as I was scrolling through the interwebs earlier today, I came across one such lost soul.
To find out how this romantic story ends, go to his channel and subscribe for some real big belly laughs. Now, after all this, I would just like to repeat, thank you so much for subscribing. You guys have been really lovely. Now, if you want to support this channel financially, then go to my Patreon and get cracking. If you don't, well, that's fair game. You are still awesome. Finally, if you are a flat earther and you are watching this, then please get your shit together and get more creative with the comments that you post in my comments section, because the stupidity that you lot have been posting there is just really, really boring, and it'd be great to do the customary comment special at some point soon. As for future videos, I have a long list of ideas and I am working on them. I am currently developing scripts for a range of videos involving thought experiments, mathematics, and one video where I actually take a shot at the scientific community. Until then, thank you for watching and you will catch me soon.